Keith from West U has a question about replacement windows.
Well, he's considering Gulf Coast windows.
That's a good consideration.
Keith writes, given the resale values, do you think they have windows that West U realtors won't sniff at? I guess there are a lot of cheap window companies out there.
Yeah, I think we go with Gulf Coast, the composite window. You're talking top of the line. Nobody's going to sniff that at all.
Well, maybe if they like that new window smell, maybe. But,
yeah,
but currently he says he has wooden ones. He wants to replace with ones that look similar. And I think I've seen where Jim's got kind of a wood look on those that's possible as well.
You can get the composite windows that have the wood grain look on the inside and any kind of color you want on the outside.
Okay.
Or, believe it or not, if you want to stay with a traditional wood window, he has a line of wood windows that he doesn't use a lot because it's not a great demand, but you could still get a really good, efficient wood window if that's what you want from Gulf Coast Windows. Take a look at them at least.
Well, the other challenge Keith has is his home, he says, was built, the home was built in 92. It's a stucco house. And he says that none of the windows are taped or otherwise sealed other than the wood frame and the caulk. And he's saying, is that how stucco windows are put in?
It depends on the window. I don't know what kind of wood window he has.
Okay.
So I'm not going to comment saying it was put in wrong or right. You're getting replacement windows now. Let's just make sure it gets done right this time.
All right. There you go. You got a question, we'll help you out. And if you call Jim Fumey and his guys at Gulf Coast Windows, they'll definitely put it in right.
Oh, yeah.
That's for sure. All right. You got a question, send it to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. We'll help you out. Just fill out that Ask Tom form. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.